Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that has become increasingly popular in recent years. The language is known for its simplicity, versatility, and ease of use, which has led to its widespread adoption in a variety of applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, and automation. Hello, welcome to Webshala, and in this video, we will explore some of the key features and benefits of Python, including its syntax, libraries and frameworks, data types, control flow statements, object-oriented programming support, interpreted nature, and community support. Syntax. Python has a straightforward and easy-to-read syntax that makes it an ideal language for beginners to learn. Unlike many other programming languages, Python does not require the use of semicolons or curly braces to define blocks of code. Instead, it uses indentation to signify blocks of code. This makes the code more readable and reduces the chance of syntax errors. For example, here is a simple Python program that prints "Hello, world" to the console. The code is self-explanatory and does not require any additional syntax to define the print statement. Libraries and frameworks. Python has a vast collection of libraries and frameworks that make it a popular language for data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Some of the most popular libraries in Python include NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib for data analysis, TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning, and Django and Flask for web development. NumPy is a library that provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. This library is widely used in scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning. Pandas is a library that provides data structures and tools for data analysis. It is widely used for data manipulation, data cleaning, and data exploration. Matplotlib is a plotting library that provides support for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. TensorFlow is a library that provides support for building and training machine learning models. It is widely used for deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. PyTorch is another machine learning library that provides support for building and training neural networks. It is widely used for deep learning and natural language processing. Django is a web framework that provides support for building high-performance web applications. It provides support for routing, templates, authentication, and more. Flask is another web framework that provides support for building web applications. It is lightweight and easy to use, making it a popular choice for small to medium-sized projects. Data types. Python has several built-in data types, including strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. These data types make it easy to manipulate and organize data in Python. Strings are sequences of characters that are enclosed in quotes. They are widely used for text processing and manipulation. Lists are sequences of values that are enclosed in square brackets. They can contain values of different data types and can be modified. Tuples are similar to lists but are enclosed in parentheses instead of square brackets. They are immutable, meaning they cannot be modified once they are created. Dictionaries are collections of key-value pairs that are enclosed in curly braces. They are widely used for storing and retrieving data based on keys. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. They are widely used for performing set operations such as union, intersection, and difference. Control flow statements. Python uses control flow statements such as if, else, for, and while to control the execution of code. These statements make it easy to create complex logic in a program. The if statement is used to execute a block of code if a condition is true. For example, x equals 5. If x and lt, 10. Print x is less than 10. The else statement is used to execute a block of code if the condition in the if statement is false. For example, x equals 15. If x and lt, 10. Print x is less than 10. Else, print x is greater than or equal to 10. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence of values. For example, fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. For fruit in fruits. Print fruit. The while loop is used to execute a block of code while a condition is true. For example, x equals 0. while x and lt, 10. Print x. X plus equals 1. Object-oriented programming. Python supports object-oriented programming, which allows developers to create reusable code that is easy to maintain and extend. In Python, classes are used to define objects, and objects are instances of a class. Here is an example of a simple class in Python. Class person. Def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self, name, age. Self.name equals name. Self.age equals age. Def introduce self. Print f my name is self.name and I am self.age years old. Person1 equals person, John, 25. Person1.introduce. This class defines a person object with a name and age attribute and an introduce method that prints out the person's name and age. Interpreted nature. Python is an interpreted language, which means that code is executed directly without the need for compilation. This makes it easy to write and test code quickly. However, interpreted languages can be slower than compiled languages because the code is executed line by line at runtime. Community support. Python has a large and active community of developers who contribute to open-source libraries, frameworks, and tools. This community provides a wealth of resources for developers, including documentation, tutorials, and forums for asking and answering questions. Python is a versatile and easy-to-learn programming language that has become increasingly popular in recent years. Its simple syntax, vast collection of libraries and frameworks, built-in data types, control flow statements, object-oriented programming support, interpreted nature, and community support make it an ideal choice for a variety of applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, and automation. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Python is a language that is worth learning and exploring. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. See you in the next one.